Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is episode number 8 of our LeetCode series, and today we are going to solve another easy and beginner friendly problem from LeetCode, which is problem number 1281, that is subtract the product and the sum of digits of an integer. This problem is really important for beginners because it teaches us how to extract digit from a number and using modulus and the division operator. So in this video we will be understanding the problem, learn the complete logic, dry run it first, and then we will be writing the code solution together in CPP language. So let's get started. First, let me explain you this question. What does this question try to tell us is, given an integer number n, return the difference between the product of digits and the sum of its digits. Example number n equals to 2, 3, 4. Output will be equals to 15. Explanation: product of digit 2, 3, 4 is equals to 24, and sum of digit 2, 3, 4 equals to 9. 24 minus 9 is equals to 15. Okay. So let me explain you this from my notes. So the problem says we are given an integer n, and our task is to find the product of all digits. This is our first task. The second task is find the sum of all the digits, and finally return product minus the sum. This is what we are asked to do in the code. So let's understand with an example, the same example which is there in LeetCode. Suppose the n is equals to 2, 3, 4. Digits are 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is the simple separate digit. Now first we calculate the product, which will be equals to 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24. And then after that we will be calculating the sum, which is 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 9. And finally 24, the product minus sum means 24 minus 9 equals to 15. So the output will be 15. This is what we need as the answer. Now what approach we are going to use over here is, to solve this problem we need to access every digit of the number individually, and for digit extraction we use two very important question. Okay, so not question, operators, which is modulus. This is the modulus sign, and the second one is division. This is the division operator. So yeah, these are extremely important concept in the programming and DSA. Yeah, this is very true. Now let's see how they work. Suppose n equals to 2, 3, 4. If we do 2, 3, 4 modular by 10, it will be giving us the last digit, that is 4, because modulus will gives the last digit. Okay, so now after taking the last digit we need to remove it from the number. We need to remove the number so that we can continue the next step. So for removing we are dividing it by 10, so the number becomes 23. Okay, this will remove the last digit. Okay, now let's run step by step. Firstly we will be initializing the sum, which will be equals to 0, and the product equals to 1, because product cannot be start from 0, or at the end if we keep it 0, so the answer will be 0 only. So we will be keeping it 1, and n equals to 2, 3, 4. Now first iteration, we will be extracting the digit number 4. So by moduling it by 10, we will be getting the 4, and we will update it in the sum and the product. So 0 plus 4 equals to 1, and 4 into 1 equals to 4. Now remove the last digit by dividing it by 10, so the number gets 23. And in second iterator we are again modulating it by 10, so the number we get is 3. So we will be updating the sum and the product. So 4 plus 3 becomes 7, and 4 3s becomes 12. So our sum and products get updated, and now we are going to remove the last digit from that number. So we are again dividing it by 10, so the number becomes only single digit, that is 2. Now in third iterator we are going to modular it by 10, but it will does not impact anything because it is a single digit, so our digit will be 2. So we will be going to update the sum and the product. So 7 plus 2 becomes the 9, so our sum gets 9, and 12 times 2 is equals to 24. So our products gets also submitted, and we will be removing the last digit by dividing by 10, so it becomes 0. So now we can stop the loop over here, and finally what we are going to do is product minus sum, that is 24 minus 9, it is become the 15, and that is our answer. Okay, so this was our logic. So now let's write the code for it together in simple and basic way. for that, what we need to do first is we need to initialize two things, that is sum and product. So let's write the code for it. Int sum equals to 0, we are keeping it 0. Okay, let for making it look good, I may okay, enter the space. Now int product equals to 0. Will equals to 0? No, it will not. It will be equals to 1. As I have told you, if we keeping the product equals to 0, then our main answer will be equals to 0, and that things we did not want. And now we are going to run over here is while loop, and in while loop we are going to keep the ends condition, so that n will be greater than 0. As you can see in the constraint, it is completely be told that n should be equals to or greater than 1. Okay, so for that we are keeping this thing, that doesn't matter, we are keeping n is greater than 0. And now we are going to write the logic, that is int digit equals to, first we are going to number modular by 10, so that it will be extracting the last digit, and we will be adding it in the sum. Sorry, I have plus will become first, and then yeah, we'll be adding it equals to digit. Okay, and same goes for the product, but over here we will be not using the plus sign, we will be using the multiplication sign. Okay, yeah, as you can see we have done this. And now for removing that number, what we are going to use is we are going to divide the n with the 10 and then storing it again in the n, so that this process gets continuously done till our number becomes 0. And then if the number becomes 0, what we are going to stop the loop, and we are going to return product minus the sum. Okay, this is the very simple logic for this code. Now let's check if our condition is getting true, then our code is correct. Yeah, as you can see, our both the cases has been accepted, so we can submit this code. So our logic and approach is very correct, and this is very simple and beginner friendly. Yeah, as you can see, our things has been submitted. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this beginner friendly explanation, then make sure to like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends, and also comment which next LeetCode problems should I solve. Till then, take care. Bye bye.